These chicken street tacos with an avocado salsa verde and pickled red onions are so good and so easy to make. The best part about a street taco is that they're super simple but still packed with a bunch of flavor. We don't need a lot of different toppings here because each ingredient brings something different and they all work so well together. The star of this taco is really this amazing avocado salsa verde. It's so fresh and delicious from the tomatillos, lime, jalapenos, and avocado. Give your tortilla a nice char, then add some chicken, plenty of salsa verde, and top it off with some pickled onions for a little extra tanginess. That's all you need to make the perfect taco. Enjoy!